need for that car transition effect. You need a car and a camera. Step 1. Drive with your car across the street. Then film out of the front window for a couple of seconds. When you have done that, make with your camera a downward movement. Step 2. Park your car at a nice place. Go into your car, start recording and make exactly the same movement again. This time you should just walk out of your car with the camera in your hand. Step 3. Editing. Now you have 2 clips. Put them into your timeline. Next, set the cut in the first clip during the downward movement. And in the second clip do exactly that too. So in the end it looks like a seamless transition from driving to standing at a nice place. This effect you can use for travel videos, for example. And that's it. I hope you understood everything. If not, just tell me in the comments below. Like, subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Bye.